Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make page background fill effect in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that make page background fill effect. Now going to the design menu option. Now for click. Then click on the page color option. Then click on the fill effect option. Then choose a fill effect. Then now for click, then click for the OK. That's it. Then I show the make page background fill effect is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.